Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use VSCode with College Wallah. First, ensure you have Visual Studio Code already installed on your system. Download the official installer from the VSCode website if you haven't yet, which usually takes about 5 minutes. After installation, launch the application to confirm it runs smoothly, indicating a successful setup. This foundational step is crucial for integrating the College Wallah tools effectively, providing a stable environment for your coding journey. Next, let's integrate the specific tools you need. Within VSCode, locate the extensions icon on the sidebar. It looks like 4 small squares. Click on this, then type College Wallah into the search bar at the top of the extensions view. You will see the official extension appear. Click the blue Install button. Once installed, it is good practice to close and reopen VSCode entirely, making sure all new components are properly loaded and ready for use. Now that the extension is ready, let us set up your first project. Create a new folder on your computer for your College Wallah assignments, for instance, naming it My Coding Projects. Then, open this folder in VSCode by going to File and selecting Open Folder. The College Wallah extension will then detect your project, enabling its unique features. Look for New Icon or Panel on your sidebar, offering streamlined access to problems and a one-click solution submission. To maximize your learning, explore the advanced functionalities offered by the extension. Take advantage of the integrated testing environment, which allows you to run your code against various test cases directly within VSCode, saving valuable time. If you ever encounter a problem, like an extension not loading, first try restarting VSCode. A common fix is also ensuring your system's path variables are correctly configured, which can sometimes resolve unexpected behavior, keeping your workflow smooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.